and we will be presenting scenario one from the start of the scenario. Uh, Letiza, a 65-year-old female in Australia who currently lives with her husband, Noel, a 62-year-old male. Letiza is very dependent to her husband, ranging from housework to financial management.
Hi, honey.
Yes, dear.
I need to pay
Hindi kami naniniwala ng honey.
Okay.
So I need to go to pay our electric bill, okay? So later, I prepare our lunch. So what do you want? Anything? Okay, so I have to go.
Nalalaglag.
Nalaglag
sa bintana.
Honey!
Facility yan ah. It's a facility yan.
Fine, I already paid our bills. So I prepare our lunch.
Okay, what are we having?
We have fish and vegetable.
Raw fish.
Sushi pa yan.
Sushi kami.
Kita tayo mo.
Fried our fish. So let's eat. Oh, it's time for you to toilet.
Kumakain. Okay. Kumakain.
Honey, I need to palabos your... You have to change your clothes.
Alam mo ko na, Noel, dinamihan mo ng mantika. Kulang dito ba daw? Kulang dito ba?
I can breathe.
Best actor.
Plaster na.
Okay.
Ay, hindi kami naniniwala. Patay, hindi man naman ako.
After Noel passed away, Leticia decided to call her daughter Daryl for help.
Ako lang ng ating sa
Oh dear. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Wow, talaga ganyan sa pagkasal.
Daryl, I need you here. Yes, ma'am. I understand, but you know, I got this big project in my work, and I got so much to do. You're not making sense. Yeah, you know, I'll be there soon. You know, I have talked already for our cousin to take care of you. You know, I can't really take care of you since I got this big project on my train, and you know, I'm really sorry, mom. So, I'll be there soon. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye, mom. I got to go. Take care. Uy!
Okay na, alis na. Nasa isip ko yun.
Yeah. Then her daughter Daryl eventually gets her mom into a residential aged care facility with a care worker, Sarah. Andito pa ba ako?
Nasa facility na.
Maluluwa ka lang po.
My mom here. Yes, mom. But you know, I got you facility is the best thing and the best way for you because I cannot. The best thing I got you are making decisions without
Actually, by you.
No,
I will buy you facility.
Mayaman, mayaman.
I just want to take care of you, okay? And this is Sarah. This is the one can take care of you. I know she's great. I'm your assigned carer for today. So Daryl, you want to? Yes, Sarah. Mom is. I know what's happening. You know, mom. for you because I cannot take care of you, okay? But here, Sarah. Sarah is here to take care of you. Facility here for you to. How complete is it? I can show you.
Wow.
You have spa?
Highlight.
Yes, hopefully,
State of the art facility.
there.
State
I
of
will
the
call
art.
our recent.
Hotel
Environment.
Hotel study. We had 20 Mbps internet.
Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Italiano.
Tell me what is that? What happened to your husband? Obviously, I'm sad. Yeah, it's kind of frustrating at first, but we'll help you out to alleviate all the negativity that you have. So we will be helping you here on facility and assist you. Do you want to connect with your daughter and your other daughter? No, she's my only one. She's my only daughter. But we can do video calls and connect with her if she's not on your Wi-Fi, right? Share with
May
you.
ketchup? May ketchup yung ano kamamatay.
We have some broccoli and some broccoli.
Gusto niya spa?
I will be showing you around the facility and then showing you your room.
Eventually, everything works out for Letiza and it's slowly adjusting into her new environment, along with Sarah, her care worker, taking care of her.
I need to pay
Hindi kami naniniwala ng honey.
So I need to go to pay our next bill, okay? So later I prepare our lunch. So what do you want? Anything? Okay, so I have to go.
Kasi hindi na bumalik.
Nalaglag.
Kasi hindi na siya bumalik.
Nalaglag sa bintana.
Honey!
Facility yan ha. Po, it's your facility yan.
Fine. I'm ready to pay the bills. So I prepare now our lunch.
Okay, what are we having?
We have fish and vegetable.
Raw fish.
Sushi pala.
Sushi kami.
May red tide. Pira tayo mo.
Fried fish. So let's eat. Oh, it's time for you to toilet.
Kumakain.
Sa akin ba?
Okay. Parang kumakain. Pati siya nakain.
Honey, I need to palabos your. You have to change your clothes.
Pinamihan mo na. Alam mo po na, Noel, dinamihan mo ng mantika.
Parang ba?
Kulang din ba daw?
I can breathe.
Best actor.
Plaster na.
Okay.
Hindi man naman, hindi man naman, no?